Hi everyone, Janie here. Welcome back to Dawn Gardens. For those of you who watched my first video on Dawn Gardens that I posted back in November, I came and visited Barry Friesen's amazing garden, amazing property, and now we have the special opportunity to walk around the gardens with him. Barry, thank you so much for having us here today.
I'm happy to have you here, and I'm excited to give you a tour.
I have to say, we are so excited to see it. And it's just fun because we saw it in the fall and now we're seeing it again in the late winter, early spring. And it's just, this property is stunning.
I started from scratch. This was all poison oak and blackberry bushes and this brush. I've had helpers all along the way to do all this work because I'm a landscape contractor.
Okay, you are. I was going to say, you have some background in gardening because this is just too perfect otherwise. So you're a landscape contractor, and so this was like your show garden, I guess.
Yes, this is a demonstration garden for my clients. Most of my clients from the Bay Area would come up here to get ideas on landscaping, to get to see what plants are good to grow, and what plants I use for fall color, for spring color. So this whole garden is really for my clients, and but I've opened it for other people too, you know, and I'm happy to show it off because I'm so far out in the country. Not many people see this. It's quite a ways.
It's definitely quite a ways out. It's quite a drive out, but it is worth it because it is so, it's like an Eden out here. You know what I mean? Like it's so incredibly beautiful. And I see all the work that you've done with some help, but honestly, take credit where credit's due. Like this came from you. This is your baby here at Dawn Gardens is. So really, really gorgeous. Barry's going to take us around and he's going to show us the daffodils. So tell me about the daffodils.
Well, the daffodils, I planted 5,000 a year for 10 years. So I know I have 50,000 here.
Plus daffodils naturalized, so you probably have even more.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
They start with one bulb and I plant them maybe a foot apart. And after a few years, you get 20 flowers. Because they multiply, you know?
Yeah.
And so every place that it's decent sun, they've all multiplied.
It's gorgeous.
In some places, they're not as profuse because I planted them in the shade. And they don't do very well in the shade. But daffodils, I found that will bloom no matter what you do, because they got the flower inside the bud.
Yeah.
And so no matter what, I've had by mistake left a couple of bulbs out in the garden. I didn't realize. I come back in February and they're blooming, just laying on the ground. Because the flower is in the bulb.
They're determined.
Yeah,
they are determined.
So daffodils are a great plant because the deer won't eat them. The gophers won't eat them.
Gophers don't like them.
And they don't need any water because the rain is enough.
Yeah.
They don't need fertilizer. They're easy to plant, have a little machine that does it, and so it's real easy. And a very large show from January through April.
So I'm going to grab the camera, Barry, and then maybe you can walk us around and show us some specific places in your beautiful gardens.
Okay.
All right.
Most people don't see the back of the house.
Ooh, but that's where your heather garden is?
Yes.
Oh, look at this.
Oh my goodness. And you've even got primrose.
In the summer, I have liatris here.
Oh, fun.
It's a purple bulb.
Yeah.
And it's really nice. And then in the fall, I have angelonia. I plant angelonia in here. It's just an annual, but it's nice. It lasts for a long time.
So there's your Erica or heather.
Up there.
The heather garden is up there. Most of it's pink now, but there are 29 different varieties, and some of them bloom in the summer, some of them bloom in this time of year. And I went up to Oregon where my mother lives and she took me on a tour of the heather gardens up there.
Oh, wow.
So I couldn't resist. I brought my truck up there, so my truck was full when I came back. And I planted 29 different varieties in here just to see which one will do okay here.
Oh my God. Do you have a favorite?
Yeah, well, the one that's pink now is my favorite, but there are other ones up there that are nice. A lot of them are white, and in the summer, most of the ones that are blooming are pink.
This is so beautiful, Barry.
It's an easy plant to grow. I mean, I just have 2 emitters on each plant.
What is this?
There's a label there.
I know it's
Stachyurus precox morning dew.
that's this
an
one, because I was
unusual
going to look
plant.
at the you left all the labels on, because I have never seen this.
I've never seen that either.
Here's the.
I've never heard of this one.
Me neither.
You are quite a plant collector, Barry.
I love plants.
Where
that's why I bought this property. You know, I just can't stop from buying something when I'm at a nursery.
You know, I feel you so much.
Yeah,
I can relate to that so much.
Yeah.
What a treat, Barry, to be able to see this with you touring us around.
We'll stop here and feed the fish.
Ooh, yes.
You don't have heron or other birds, predators that try to pick them off?
I do, and these herons fly in once in a while and try to pick these off.
Yeah.
I just can't get over it. I can't get over it. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look, 50,000 daffodils. Well, you can tell they're very happy here in this spot.
Oh, yeah. This is like riding through a wonderland.
You know this little plant?
No.
That's called Virginian stock.
Virginian stock.
It's an annual, but it acts like it's a native wildflower.
Wow.
It does. It looks like an alpine.
It comes back every year. I
It's
don't plant it.
beautiful.
Yeah.
And you just let it reseed itself.
Just let it reseed. Yeah, it's easy.
Do your muscari come back every year?
They do.
Oh, look how beautiful that is. Can you back up? Oh, look at that. Look at that view. Look at that view.
This is my fruit orchard here, and my vegetable beds are there, and then I have raspberries and blueberries up on the hill.
Wow.
Oh my. Are these figs?
No, these are apples here.
Oh, these are apples.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful view.
Oh my gosh.
And the lomandra, when it's planted like this, it's just so wonderful.
Good like this.
I have a whole blog post about lomandra. What I did with this, we planted 50 of them in here, and we took half of them out because we put 2 close together.
Oh.
So I did a blog on how we took them out and how we spaced them out so that they look better now.
Yeah,
I want this. I want this look in my garden.
They're about 3.5 feet wide.
Those are so beautiful.
And they're evergreen, and they're fairly drought tolerant. Another Australian plant.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that pretty magnolia.
Oh my gosh.
This is Magnolia vulcan.
Oh my.
And that's is that Muhlenbergia below the grass?
Yeah, this is Muhlenbergia, the white.
Okay,
the white variety. I forget the name. It's got a label
White
on one.
Cloud.
White
cloud.
White
yeah.
cloud.
Beautiful.
Here's his label.
This is just so
oh my gosh.
sweet.
You should be so proud. Oh my gosh. Everywhere I look, there's just more to see. And I love your little golf cart. I mean, what a great way to see your property.
Oh, yeah, I never used to have this. And when I'd go to the bottom to do some pruning and I forgot my pruning shears, I'd have to walk all the way back. So it takes 10 or 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Finally, I decided I need a golf cart.
Yeah.
This really helps.
I want a golf cart, but I only have 1 acre, so I can't justify it.
Yeah.
And then what are these tiny?
Those are dwarf daffodils. They're called hoop petticoat daffodils.
Oh, how fun!
I love those coral color ones over there. You see the little...
Oh my gosh, yes.
Aren't they pretty?
Oh, how fun. You have all the varieties. It's amazing.
Yeah, there's a lot of different daffodils here, and the hoop petticoat ones will reseed. So
oh my gosh.
That's why you see so many there. They just reseed
Oh, those
by
little
themselves.
ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're lovely.
Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I can't get over it. I got to show
There's
the
a
hellebores.
hellebore garden
Yeah.
here. And this is iris. Yeah,
I'm like, stop right here, Barry, stop. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness, little stepping stones. This is just stunning, Barry. This is amazing. Roberta's loving it too.
Yep. I love gardens. I love, love, love touring gardens.
Me too. My favorite thing.
Yeah, that's what if you look at my blog, you'll see that I've traveled all over the world visiting gardens. And you'll see different gardens in New Zealand and in the East Coast of the United States and England. And unfortunately, I had a health problem and I had to stop my touring.
Yeah.
But I do have some still on my blog, which everybody can look at. It's called In the Garden Around the World.
Oh my gosh.
.blog. And most of the pictures now are from this garden.
Yeah.
But there's a lot from my tours.
Now tell me about your arches.
That's left over from one of my jobs. My client told me that he didn't want it.
Oh gosh.
And so I said, well, I'll take it home.
Take it, yeah.
And so I had my workers come in and install it for me, and I put that pot there. And I like the background. It's a European beach.
Oh yeah.
And they keep their leaves all winter. And when they start sprouting, all those dead leaves will fall off, and you get bright new lime green leaves, in the spring.
Oh, how fun.
And then to the left is white birch.
Okay, now those are quaking aspen.
Oh, quaking aspen. Okay, because they're so white. I thought.
Yeah.
Those are the ones that had amazing color in the fall.
They have yellow leaves, right?
Yellow.
Yeah, those were incredible.
I've seen those planted with the foreground of Euonymus alata, the burning bush.
Oh, yeah.
Fun.
And so when they go yellow in the fall and the burning bush goes red before they go deciduous, it's just absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, you have Clematis armandii.
Clematis armandii there, yes.
Love it.
So beautiful.
It's one of my favorites.
And
one of my favorites.
It's fragrant and it's a great plant.
And again, it's blooming this time of year.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So fun.
Is that an evergreen variety?
Yeah, that's evergreen clematis.
Okay. Now, what is that big shaggy plant? Is that rhodigia or what's that called? The big ferny looking one?
It's called a restio.
Restio.
Oh, that's a restio. I've seen it
from South Africa.
I've seen it in pots, and I tried to grow it down in Sacramento. It's just too hot. It just didn't.
Yeah, I've got 4 different varieties, and when I was in South Africa, I found out that they had 47 different varieties, and I was sort of waiting when they started delivering them to California.
They would come here, yeah.
But when they finally did a few, I bought them, and when we go around the pool, you'll see some more varieties.
Okay.
They're gorgeous.
So tell me about your pools. They're all connected?
I have 5 pools connected with a little creek, and then I have, they start at the top where the fish are, and they come down here into my bog garden, and this is all my bog garden where are plants that will grow in just wet soil.
You got canna and ginger.
Canna lily, it's time to cut them back now, and I have a lot of water lilies, or water iris over here, which you can't see.
But these are the elephant ears. What are they
called?
Those
are elephant ear, colocasia.
Oh, colocasia. Yeah, they're so beautiful.
During the fall, when everything is covered with the leaves, was it from this tree?
Yes.
And it looked like a sea of rust?
Yes.
That was the coolest thing.
This tree is the bald cypress.
Oh, okay.
It's a deciduous conifer, so it drops all its leaves. And it's bright orange. It was really nice. Yeah.
It was so fun because it looked like a sea of orange.
I have to do a selfie with this guy.
There's the label for it.
Oh, nice.
Eligia capensis.
Oh, I should write that down too.
This is the bottom pool, your bog pool.
Just,
the bottom.
Just look at that.
And then here's the second from the bottom.
The textures. Wow. I just love it.
I know. Look at is this the same type of plant?
Now this is another restio, but a different variety. This is called Rhodocoma capensis. And I have a lot of these planted around the ponds. You'll see some up there around the other ponds.
I love the color because it's like a dark ash, and
this is so stunning.
Isn't it beautiful?
This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so... Oh, look, they're even on the other side. I'm not even looking all the way around. Wow. Barry. Wow.
Now, if you look at that one over there, that's the Eligia capensis.
The green one.
The green one.
And here it is right there, not near the water, but it just has 2 emitters, and it's doing fine.
Yeah. Oh, look how gorgeous they are.
I know, they're like big, fuzzy elephants that come down to the water.
I'm
love them.
I'm gonna try and plant that. That is just so pretty. Barry lives about 2 hours from me, and he lives further up the foothills into the mountains. So it's a little bit, not a little bit, it's a lot cooler here than it is in Davis. But you guys do get hot, like you said.
Yeah.
Plus you have that boron soil.
Oh, I know. Let's not talk about my horrible
we'll
boron
talk
soil. I was just distracted. I saw a frog jump in the pond,
Oh.
Barry. Can I walk in here? Do you mind?
Yeah, help yourself.
Okay.
Walk anywhere you want.
Were the boulders here already, or are those fake boulders?
Those are fake.
They're
Okay.
fake?
I had my workers come and try their experience making fake boulders. A couple places you'll see them because I thought maybe some clients might want them, but
well, it's nothing like the real thing.
that's the real thing. You know, it's really better. But
I can hear bees all over the manzanita.
oh yeah, they love these flowers.
They're beautiful, really gorgeous.
These started as a 1-gallon can.
No,
that
no.
tall, and it's 16 years now.
Wow.
And I didn't start pruning it until they got about that big.
Wow.
And the whole mass of foliage is so green you can't see the trunks.
Yeah.
The foliage is clear of the ground, you don't see the trunk. So I pruned it out so you can see the trunk.
Because the beautiful thing about manzanita is the wood.
Yeah, yeah. That a client hired me to take it down and take it to the dumps.
What?
And he wanted me to build a new one, more modern looking. And so I said, well, I'll take it home if you don't mind. And he says, yeah, help yourself. So
my gosh.
We took it all apart, put it in my truck, and hauled it up here in a couple of loads. And we rebuilt it. It's over 100 years old.
Wow.
And look at all the Pyrrhus japonica that's blooming.
Wow. So what do you call something like this? A screen or a backdrop?
I just call it an arbor.
Arbor, there you go.
But it's very old, and a lot of the pieces were rotten, so we rebuilt it more or less when we put it in here.
It's gorgeous.
I love
so
this
beautiful.
This pink bloomer.
Oh, is that Pyrrhus?
The Pyrrhus along here is
shoujo. It's called
10 different varieties. I wanted to plant them so my clients could see what they look like, different sizes, different colors of flowers. And they are one of the easiest plants to grow. They're just 2 emitters on each plant.
Wow.
And
they're beautiful.
They have these flowers this time of year, but the rest of the summer, they're green and they're easy to grow.
But they do need a little more shade. They're not, from Sacramento. So when I talk about shade, I'm talking about full on 112 degrees.
Yeah. Yes. When we were here in fall, Barry, my daughters came up here. I was like, don't touch anything. But they enjoyed it very much.
Yeah, I remember the video. They were on the video walking up there.
Yes, that's right. Yeah. You were busy talking to somebody else, right? Yeah. You were busy on that day. Oh, look at these boulders. These are just stunning.
Aren't they amazing? Moss rock.
Wow.
Are those moss rock or are they a Sierra boulder? Do you know?
They're granite.
So it's granite.
That's got covered with moss.
Is this a Henry Lauder walking stick?
This is a Harry Lauder's walking stick.
I have one in a pot. I love this plant.
Wow. How fun.
It's a contorted hazelnut.
Oh, is that what it is? Oh, it's gorgeous. It's so pretty. Will it get any bigger than this?
Come over here and take a look in here. This is the contorted part. Isn't that amazing?
Oh my gosh, look at that.
So actually they show best in the winter when they've dropped their leaves.
Yeah. It's this one is probably 15 years old.
Wow.
From a 5-gallon can.
Wow.
And it'll probably get a little bigger, but not a lot bigger.
Well, Barry, I just want to say a huge thank you to you for letting us come here and invade your privacy and see your beautiful gardens again. I will put all of the links to Barry's blog and his website in the description down below, so you guys, if you're local, you can come see it. But a huge thank you. You are a kindred spirit. You are a plant nerd, and we love you. So I hope you all enjoyed this as much as we did, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.